pick up on the point forward with Cameron Brandt from EPFR Global. Cameron, hi, great to have you on the show. First things first, how is it that one should be reading into this outsized rate cut by the Fed? I mean, is it a sign of a weak economy? Because clearly the equity markets don't seem to be thinking so.
Yeah. Well, I think that's the right question to be asked, and it obviously won't be answered in a minute. But I think, and especially from an emerging markets context, a lot is going to depend on how the market judges the size of the cut in the coming days. Historically, that a cut of this size certainly triggers some discussion and about whether it's triggered by current economic weakness or a desire to not be behind the curve. And though markets are certainly celebrating, from where I sit, a lot of the good news that this rate cut could cement, i.e. the much hoped for soft landing, is already baked into current prices and valuations. So I wouldn't be at all surprised to see this burst of enthusiasm fade fairly quickly.
Okay. Cameron, are we at that cusp where flows compulsively now will start moving back into emerging markets? Because historically, when Fed has cut rates, that has coincided into a big boom of liquidity into emerging markets.
Yeah. Well, we've certainly sort of seen a tentative shift on the fixed income side. Emerging markets bond funds have, instead of being hit with relentless outflows, have at least had a few weeks where flows have been positive. For emerging Asia, the flows, certainly from a mutual fund and ETF perspective, never left you. Dedicated India equity funds are sort of 1 week shy of having posted consecutive inflows for 18 straight months, which I think I struggle to remember a dedicated country fund group that has had such a long run. So I think for India and for China, the question is not so much, are you suddenly going to see more money, but the degree to which the taps might open further.
All right. Gonna let you go on that note, Cameron. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining in. That's the take coming in.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.